Make it easy, make it SADI. SADI System patented 15 years ago a unique system to optimize your control cabinet. The wiring management system, or enhanced back panel, was engineered to help you reduce the size of your control panel, reduce the time required to build it, and increase your profitability. The idea is quite simple. Make the best use of the volume inside your electrical enclosure by using the depth of the enclosure to run the wires and save the wasted space usually taken by the wireway. Based on your traditional layout, ideally in CAD format, but also from a rough sketch and a bill of material, our engineering staff at SADI will generate a CAD layout using our ProClip or ProLight technology to reduce the size of your cabinet and/or offer you more mounting space for your components. You will receive in return an engineered layout with a unique drawing and quote number associated with it. The quote will be detailed with the parts required to build the frame, as well as a line for the assembly charge if you'd like us to pre-assemble the frame for you. This allows you to order one part number only and saves you from carrying stock of the different parts. With the traditional back panel using wire duct and DIN rail, a lot of time-consuming operations are required before wiring the panel. Parts have to be positioned on the back panel, holes have to be marked, then drilled and taped. The DIN rail has to be cut, as does the wiring duct before components can even be mounted onto the panel. When choosing the ProClip or ProLight system from SADI, the assembly of the frame is done at our facility by our trained technicians based on the engineered drawings. The profiles are cut, deburred, and put together with all the accessories required to mount the devices, such as mounting profiles, snap-in DIN rail, and 45 degrees angle DIN rail for ease of access. The component can finally be mounted to the traditional back panel. At reception of your pre-assembled SADI frame, you just need to take it out of the box, place it on your bench, and you can start mounting the devices right away. The flexibility of the system allows for any type of device to be mounted, either DIN rail mountable or panel mount. For panel mount devices, the sliding nuts are used to eliminate the drilling. If need be, you still have the option to drill into the profile to mount certain devices. The time required to populate the panel has been drastically reduced, and the focus can be put on the wiring. With a traditional wiring duct panel, the access to the connection points is limited, especially when the connection points are at the bottom. It takes some skill, time, and effort to do a clean job. With the SADI frame, all of the components stand out clearly, allowing an easy access to the connection points. The wiring is done easily, with the convenient comb system holding the wire in front of your device. The wire can run horizontally in the space between the profiles, and vertically in the U-shaped bracket on each side. Working with an open section eliminates the need for cable ties, as you don't have to worry about filling in the wire duct. We can also play with different depth to fit deep components without increasing the depth of the box. A double-sided system is also available for back-to-back application in a dual-access enclosure. For smaller panels where the depth is limited, we have developed the ProLight system. Instead of the U-shaped brackets, the profiles are mounted on standoffs for more flexibility. Once a panel is wired, the plastic cover snaps back in place, showing the wire going to the component. The tag is clearly visible, which makes it easy for troubleshooting and maintenance. Plastic accessories are available for a nice cosmetic finish. Don't wait any longer and send your layout at costcomparison@sadina.com to get your free estimate and start saving today. You'll be impressed by the results and savings that can be achieved. For more information, contact our dedicated team who will help assist you to make your SADI experience a success. We don't just build frames, but long-term relationships. We take pride in helping you being even more successful. So make it easy. Make it SADI.